Hello, welcome to J Mall Travels, and I'm thrilled to be your guide to the Emerald Isle. Ireland's charm is as endless as its rolling green hills. From ancient castles to lively pub scenes, this land of warm welcomes and captivating history is ready to steal your heart. Over the next few minutes, we'll journey together through Ireland's top 25 must-visit places. I'll share insider tips and local secrets to help you experience Ireland like a true traveler, not just a tourist. So grab your walking shoes, your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Ireland. Whether you dream of kissing the Blarney Stone, sipping a perfectly poured Guinness in a cozy Dublin pub, or simply losing yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Cliffs of Moher, this video will inspire you to pack your bags and say, "Dia do it," to the adventure of a lifetime. Our first stop takes us to the edge of the world, or so it seems. The Cliffs of Moher, soaring 700 feet above the wild Atlantic, are a sight that will take your breath away. Feel the wind in your hair as you gaze out at the vast expanse of the ocean and let the raw power of nature wash over you. Dublin, Ireland's vibrant capital, pulsates with history and energy. At its heart lies Dublin Castle, a testament to centuries of royal power and intrigue. Explore its stately chambers, walk the ancient corridors, and imagine the stories these walls could tell. Buckle up for a scenic drive along the Ring of Kerry, one of Ireland's most famous routes. This breathtaking loop winds through charming villages, past ancient stone forts, and alongside sparkling lakes, offering postcard-perfect views at every turn. Prepare to be amazed by the Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder on the Antrim coast. Thousands of hexagonal basalt columns rise from the sea, a testament to the Earth's raw power and a source of ancient myths and legends. Escape to the tranquility of Killarney National Park, a haven for nature lovers. Hike through ancient woodlands, cycle along serene lake shores, or simply relax and soak up the beauty of this pristine wilderness. Galway City, a bohemian gem on Ireland's west coast, pulsates with creative energy. Wander through its colorful streets, enjoy live music in cozy pubs, and soak up the city's vibrant arts scene. Cork City, Ireland's culinary capital, is a feast for the senses. Explore the English market, a foodie's paradise overflowing with local produce, fresh seafood, and artisan cheeses. Don't miss a chance to savor the flavors of Cork's renowned restaurants. Journey to the Dingle Peninsula, a land of dramatic cliffs, pristine beaches, and ancient ruins. Explore prehistoric forts, marvel at the rugged coastline, and perhaps even spot Fungi, the resident dolphin. Step onto the otherworldly landscape of the Burren, a limestone plateau unlike anywhere else on Earth. Hike through its lunar-like terrain, discover hidden caves, and marvel at the resilience of nature in this unique environment. No trip to Ireland is complete without a visit to Blarney Castle. Climb to the top of the castle, kiss the legendary Blarney Stone, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Escape to the wild beauty of Connemara National Park, a land of majestic mountains, shimmering lakes, and vast boglands. Hike through its untamed landscapes, breathe in the fresh air, and let the tranquility of nature wash over you. Step back in time at Bunratty Castle and Folk Park, a living history museum that brings Ireland's past to life. Explore the beautifully preserved castle, wander through the charming village, and experience life as it was in 19th century Ireland. Embark on an unforgettable journey to Skellig Michael, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has captivated imaginations for centuries. Climb the ancient stone steps to the monastic ruins perched atop this dramatic island. a location made famous in recent Star Wars films. Prepare for a truly awe-inspiring experience at Sleeve League Cliffs, some of the highest sea cliffs in Europe. Hike along the cliff tops, feel the wind in your hair, and gaze down at the crashing waves far below. Escape to the tranquility of Loch Ness, the largest freshwater lake in the British Isles. Enjoy a leisurely boat trip, try your hand at fishing, or simply relax and soak up the peace and quiet of this beautiful lake. Step into a fairy tale at Kilkenny Castle, a magnificent medieval castle that has stood watch over the River Nore for centuries. Explore its opulent chambers, wander through its extensive gardens, and immerse yourself in the grandeur of Ireland's history. Journey to the Aran Islands, a remote archipelago off the coast of County Galway, where traditional Irish culture and language thrive. Explore ancient stone forts, cycle along rugged coastlines, and experience the warmth and hospitality of island life. Discover the charm of Wexford, a historic town on Ireland's southeast coast. Attend a performance at the renowned Wexford Opera Festival, explore the town's medieval streets, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Visit Waterford, Ireland's oldest city, and discover its rich history and sparkling craftsmanship. Tour the House of Waterford Crystal, witness the artistry of crystal making, and perhaps even take home a sparkling souvenir. Experience the raw beauty of County Donegal, a land of rugged coastlines, towering cliffs, and vibrant musical traditions. Enjoy traditional Irish music sessions in cozy pubs, hike along the dramatic Sleeve League Cliffs, and immerse yourself in the warmth of Donegal hospitality. Discover the charm of Carlingford, a picturesque medieval village nestled on the shores of Carlingford Loch. Indulge in fresh oysters from the loch, explore the village's historic streets, and enjoy stunning views of the surrounding mountains and coastline. Escape to the tranquility of Malahide Castle, a beautifully preserved castle surrounded by extensive gardens. Explore the castle's elegant interiors, wander through the themed gardens, and perhaps even enjoy a picnic on the grounds. Step back in time in Cove, the Titanic's last port of call. Visit the Titanic Experience Cove, a poignant museum that tells the story of the ill-fated ship and its passengers. Explore the town's colorful streets and learn about its rich maritime history. Take a scenic drive through the Wicklow Mountains, known as the Garden of Ireland. Visit the monastic site of Glendalough, nestled in a tranquil valley, and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and lakes. Discover the history and charm of Limerick, a vibrant city on the banks of the River Shannon. Explore King John's Castle, a well-preserved Norman fortress, wander through the city's historic streets, and enjoy a leisurely stroll along the riverfront. From the windswept cliffs of Moher to the cozy pubs of Dublin, Ireland has a way of captivating the soul. I hope this journey through Ireland's top 25 must-visit places has inspired you to experience the magic of the Emerald Isle for yourself. Remember, travel is more than just checking off a list. It's about embracing the unexpected, connecting with local cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, start planning your Irish adventure today and get ready to experience the crack, the fun, the laughter, the warmth of Irish hospitality that awaits you on the Emerald Isle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you wanted to see our next destination. Until next time. Again, it's J Mall Travels. Until next time.